About to go ride one of the last times of the year that I actually can ride my bike, 'cause it's kind of nice out. It's like, I don't know, 60 degrees out, a little windy, but we'll get the helmet on soon, the boots on. Here's this shoe collection. This is my side, this is Tiff's side. Don't mind the messy floor, but I want to show you guys something. I don't know if any of you guys are nerds on here, but I like it, so I'm going to show you guys.
I like it.
But recently I just picked up some graded cards, or got some of my cards graded. I got my Greninja back, 9.5 Beckett. Picked up this PSA 10 Mew, and just some random slabs. This thick stack needs to go to PSA. It's a bunch of Mega Evolution stuff. Some iffy ones, I don't know if they're really going to be 10s. This one's a little high on top. And then here's my slow roller PSA stack, just in case I don't hit big. Like, I've even been watching some Pokemon videos right now. I love Clover cards. I would say check them out if you don't know anything about Clover cards. They make a bunch of really cool deals. And then my Pops collection, all that. Some other nerd stuff over here. Bear bricks. We got the Ducati. We got some Kingdom Hearts, more Pokemon cards, a whole stack of stuff. So I don't know, if you guys are nerds, I'm a nerd, if you guys didn't know. Yeah, I love collecting nerdy stuff. I grew up playing a bunch of video games, Pokemon being my favorite, Kingdom Hearts, Halo, Call of Duty, all that. So, alright, let's get ready to ride. Okay, I need to get my boots on, get my helmet, get my camera mounted, and we'll be out. Duke, why are you following me, bro? What do you got going on? Alright. It's been like a week or so, maybe longer, since I've actually gotten to ride my bike. But you guys already know what it is. 2020 RSV4 Misiano edition. I haven't even driven my car because the tags are expired. I've been mainly driving my Duramax around and my work truck. And my girlfriend's bike. Love it. Some Ghost Racing tag. Picked that up with this hoodie that I'm wearing right now. Their hoodies are so nice, but it takes so long to ship. They're super thick, they're really warm, but damn, $100 for that is crazy. Should make sure I don't have any flat tires. New rear tire, front tire still pretty nice, but always check your tires before you ride. Alright, let's cold start this thing. Look how nice that looks in the sun. Mind you, it's not very nice outside, it's a little windy, but I'm gonna ride anyways. Icon helmet, Hardo, just the basic necessities. Alright. Cold start. That's on. Paradox Rift. thought you were leaving.
You just did rollers. You missed them.
Wait, her sound was just crazy just now. Say what?
We just did rollers. You missed them.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
that's all right.
Whitney and back.
Oh, word.
I got like 5.
I wasn't expecting to see anyone out. Hello.
Dude, it's so nice
I know,
out. What do
it's
you
so
mean?
pretty even right now.
It's so nice. I was in Colorado all day though, and it was way nice over there. That is a crazy setup. Jeez, man.
I've seen them. They were rigged back in the.
Oh, was he in the truck? Oh, dang it! That would have been sick. Damn it! That would have been cool to see. What the hell? I'm on. Brother, what?
This is how I hide in the